Hello everyone. Today I am going now. I will be going for a mobile repairing class, and yeah, there is something information I have for you. That is a very good idea, and now the employment is it is very hard to get an employment in a government job. So nowadays the Meghalaya government has established new skills development, that is like for field technicians, for mobile repairing, for food processing, and some other kind of skills training. So it is a very good things. So now I will be going for that training. I have joined almost 3 months now, and today I will go to class, and now I'm waiting for vehicles. Right now, I'm on my way to class. If you are wondering how and what is needed to get access in this training, the training is free or free course, and then you can get access with free with no fees. And then the documents you have to submit is your ID card, Aadhaar card, two passport size, and in some cases it is required to submit class 12 result or matriculation mark sheet. And then this is the destiny place that I have to go. We will have a class on the third floor. This is the destiny place that I'm talking about here. This is in
Today
India
I
Mart
will
in
show
that
you about the
third
class,
floor. Now
and
I have
here
reached the building, and I will be going upstairs. What happened to my fingers? Doesn't it look nice and the air is not coming this one. It is coming now, and then first I will repair this one today. This will be my work. This one, the charger problem. This one I will repair, and then later we will test again. Hi video hi khong nus siam nom na san tak chu atun lai hin Meghalaya government job imuna an tak tak ani ta ema hin mi trene tam tak ka bi teram chung ne chain jeram chunga mi e mal ne cham lekhar sei ke ima gana dong in tak si ka mane hi thiam nar sang ni thi khai no ai tawa ama ta kai ni tam takan lo fa narang hi e zonga nikom selan e mu the no ani ta nikom se hi Meghalayan skill development field technician mobile repairing food processing license tiang heya hi mystery tiang thil le hong to ko mi thil stra ta kan ta kha sikin any comment anda tarama sin ni thone kan chu hi the training he hi fengi lan i taranga re fena om tak ni ngata
kanjo e mani khatin sumpuan mu
Jadi
the na
bawa-bawa
te
desa,
tika siam te komin e ne rang ne ti hi e riat rangen kinoma asigen hi clear pastala hin ane tra
I
classic
don't
ne
know.
ne nga ne ta ama
Listening
hi
there.
anom kan nin
Have you done now?
mi tren tam
Yeah,
ta
have you
kanju
done prepare
enjoy the
again
ne ta asithi
before? Yeah.
izong en
No?
aton in game ni
Then what
second
happened?
batch kin ne ta aton third batch si
The
an
way
thonok
they
rang
got
ne ta
this
hi ar ong
Darnei,
thiai ma ya hi
that's
atun
what
line
they
free training ane chicken am hi anuam kan enjoy rangin ama
where
tir hinong
is
in
without doing
nu
this?
no mai
It
ne
has
chamo
space
pi
without
fere
doing.
hi. I just hope that you might have heard about this skill development that is going on right now, that is
Mother is
established by the
government, right?
Meghalaya government. And as we all know that our government cannot provide everyone the job opportunities. This is why our government has established this Meghalaya skill development, and this is going on right now. And I have joined this almost to 3 months, and then we are about to complete the syllabus and the course as well. This is for 3 months, and then you can join this for free course that is provided by our Meghalaya government. And then in this skills development, the skills are available on food processing, field technician, that is a computer repairing, and mobile repairing. Mm, we know that we cannot get a job now, or not everyone can get a job now in a government, but even by doing all these things, one can earn a living if
Privacy
we work
service
hard on it.
in
So
terms of
this is
service.
why it is a very good thing,
And I would
which
give
I
privacy
want you
for
to
that.
know. If you want this, you can join and by free code of entry. And then I hope if you like the video, please subscribe to Gospel Siamthara vlog and official video. Thank you. To see the seminar, please check in the description option, so you will find the seminar on this skill development.